wild things are. The night Max wore his wolf suit and made mischief of one kind and another, his mother called him Wild Thing, and Max said, "I'll eat you up." So he was sent to bed without eating anything. That very night, in Max's room, a forest grew and grew and grew until his ceiling hung with vines and the walls became the world all around. And an ocean tumbled by with a private boat for Max, and he sailed off through night and day and in and out of weeks and almost over a year to where the wild things are. And when he came to the place where the wild things are, they roared their terrible roars and gnashed their terrible teeth and rolled their terrible eyes and showed their terrible claws. Till Max said, "Be still," and tamed them with a magic trick of staring into all their yellow eyes without blinking once. And they were frightened and called him the most wild thing of all, and made him king of all wild things. "And now," cried Max, "let the wild rumpus start." "Now stop," Max said, and sent the wild things off to bed without their supper. And Max, the king of all wild things, was lonely and wanted to be where someone loved him best of all. And all around, from far away across the world, he smelled good things to eat. So he gave up being king of where the wild things are. But the wild things cried, "Oh, please don't go. We'll eat you up. We love you so." And Max said, "No." The wild things roared their terrible roars and gnashed their terrible teeth and rolled their terrible eyes and showed their terrible claws. But Max stepped into his private boat and waved goodbye and sailed back over a year and in and out of weeks and through a day and into the night of his very own room, where he found his supper waiting for him. And it was still hot.
We hope you enjoyed our puppet play of Where the Wild Things Are by Maurice Sendak. Now we're going to share some things you can do at home. Act out the story together. Maybe you grow your body really tall like the trees in Max's room. Maybe your arms become like waves, or you can pretend to sail in a boat. You could gnash your terrible teeth like a wild thing and roar your magnificent roar. Play a freeze game. Someone yells, "Stop!" during the rumpus. And if anyone moves, They have to be the wild thing and chase everyone around the room. You could make a crown like Max's crown with paper, scissors, tape, and markers. You can decorate it or maybe make a fun spelling game out of it with sticky notes. Try rolling a monster with paper and markers and a dice. Whatever number you land on is the different body parts you add to your monster. Here's what our monster looked like after we played the game. Have lots of fun!